ready? No, killer whales are not fish. 18, tell if killer whales are warm-blooded or cold-blooded. What are they? Hold on, listen for the signal. What are they? Everybody get ready?
Warm-blooded.
Yes, warm-blooded. Very good. We're moving on to the workbook now. Flip to the workbook. If they messed up number 16, if they didn't get one of the seasons right, so if they made one or two mistakes for those 4 parts, it's wrong because that affects all of the other ones. So if they got one part of number 16 wrong, the whole part is wrong. Moving on, number 1 in the workbook. Whirlpools are made up of moving water. I'll come back to you. Number 2, a whirlpool is shaped like a funnel. What is a whirlpool shaped like? Get ready?
Funnel.
A funnel. Good. You guys were doing so great. We have 6 minutes and 37 seconds. Number 3, what happens to something that gets caught in a whirlpool? I need an idea from Yesenia. Track Yesenia. What happens to something when it gets caught in a whirlpool, Yesenia? Nice and loud, please. What was your thought? What happens to something that gets caught in a whirlpool? What did you say? We'll come back to you. Evelyn, what did you say? Track Evelyn. It spins around or it goes down and around. Something about spinning or going down and around. Either is fine. 2 questions about this problem. Taking 2 questions only, so listen carefully. A lot of the times we have the same question. Ruby. It sinks. So what happens to something that gets caught in a whirlpool? It sinks, it goes down. So that's another way of saying it goes down. Yes. It sinks is okay. If it's another way of saying it goes down, is it okay? Yes. If it's exactly what I said, that's okay too. One other question. One. Track 1, because you might have the same question. It moves down. Is that similar to what I said? It goes around and down as it moves. Yes, that is similar to what I said, so that is correct. I want you to use your best judgment now. When your partner gets their paper back, if they have a question about how they graded it, they can ask me when I take your scores, okay? Use your best to make your best decision. Number 4, what happened to the lifeboat when the girls got in it? Can you explain that to me, please, Javier? Track Javier. Christopher. I'm sorry, Javier, we're going to try that again so everybody can track you. Track Javier because you might have the same question. It fell into the water, yes, or it dropped into the water. So what happened to the lifeboat? It dropped into the water, it fell into the water. Something that's similar to that. Gabby, what does your paper say?
It goes to the bottom of the water.
Thumbs up if that's a good answer. Thumbs down if there could be a better answer. So, Gabby, repeat what you just said.
It goes to the bottom of the whirlpool.
It goes to the bottom of the whirlpool. Is that similar to it dropped into the water?
No.
Thumbs, I want to see thumbs. I would ask for your voices if I needed them. I'm going to say yes because it talks about going down. Down to the bottom of the water or to the whirlpool because the boat did fall into the whirlpool. Okay? Think about other words that are similar for water. Ocean, any of those things. If you hear that they're similar and it sounds like that answer, then it's probably okay. If your partner has questions about it, they can ask me. We're moving on. We have 3 minutes. Number 5. When today's story began, Carla shouted that she saw land. What did she really see, though? What did she really see? A huge wave or a wave? What did she see? Get ready?
A huge wave.
A big wave, a huge wave. Either of those are fine. 2 questions. Christopher.
Can they put a whirlpool?
Okay, is that a wave? No. So is that a correct answer? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Good. That is an incorrect answer. One other question that you're really not sure about. Evelyn. Huh? Okay, so is that the same thing as a wave or a huge wave? Yes, that is a correct answer. Moving on, number 6. What could Edna see in the distance? When could Edna see, excuse me? That first one is what should be underlined at the top of a wave. At the top of a wave. I need you to really make the best call for these questions because we only have 2 minutes. Yes? If they didn't underline it, but they marked it. Did they mark it? And you can tell what the correct answer is. If you can tell what the correct answer is, then it's correct. Okay, moving on. Number 7. Roberto, I need you to track with number 7. Number 7. After the giant wave hit, the boat was being sucked into a giant whirlpool. Yes. Remember, when I need your voices, I'll ask for them. So a huge whirlpool or a whirlpool, something about a whirlpool. If they do not have the word whirlpool,